Okay, so for this wrap, I'm going to start by chopping up some pepper. And I'm going to make it very, very thin slices just because that's the way I like to consume my peppers. I think that looks like enough. So I'll put that to the side. And then we're going to chop up this tomato, same concept. We're going to make them nice thin slices. Beautiful. Awesome. Put that to the side, together. Okay, so now I've already put the tortilla in my toaster oven. And so we're going to add some hummus to it. And I really like hummus. I think it's so yummy. So good for the soul. So I'm just going to start by spreading some hummus. So my tortilla is layered with hummus. I'm going to go ahead and add some spinach to it. You can do lettuce. You can do kale. Honestly, you can do any of your favorite foods on there. Okay, so that's pretty packed on. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the peppers that we cut up earlier. We're going to add our tomatoes on there. And for this wrap, I did some turkey bacon. Honestly, you can do whatever you want. You can do fish, you can do chicken, depending what your goals and your needs are. This is where you would tailor it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add some regular pepper on top to give it. So this is what our final product looks like. And this is pretty hefty after training vibes. And then you're just going to go ahead and roll it all up. And we have a wrap.